Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be learning how to do the basic knit stitch. We will be using Karen Simply Soft yarn in the shade of baby pink. How cute is this color? We will be using 5mm or US size 8 circular knitting needles. We will start by making a small swatch measuring 4 to 5 inch. I have 18 stitches using the knitted cast on method, which I have a video on how to do it. I will leave a link below in the upper right hand corner. Now I will show you how to knit in 4 easy steps. First, you'll want to hold the cast on needle in your left hand and the right hand blank. What you want to do is go into the stitch or loop, if you want to call it, go through that, wrap it, scoop it, and then throw it off. Again, stab, wrap, and then scoop, and then pull it off. And this is great for any easy project like a scarf or a dishcloth. It's great for a beginner's technique, but also for any experienced knitter out there. I will be knitting a few more stitches and rows. After that, I will speed through the video to show you what the finished swatch will look like. But for now, I'm just going to knit some stitches. That way, you'll see how to get the hang of it. Okay, now we are just working on our last row. I made 24 rows total. This way, I can see how tight or loose my tension is, because when you're making a project, you'll want to make a small swatch to gauge what your tension is. It's the way you're holding, whether it's tight or loosely on your yarn. And there we go. This is a finished swatch of the knit stitch. It's also, if you're knitting all the rows, it's called a garter stitch. But thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, share, comment, subscribe. Hope you try this and tell me what you think, and also let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Next week's video is going to be on binding off or finishing off. Thank you and Happy crafting!